back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious salsa negra. This black hot sauce comes out delicious. I am sure you are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious and spicy black salsa, these are the ingredients. I have salsa Maggi, the Worcestershire sauce. I have pasilla chili pads, chile de árbol, morita chili pads, 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, tomatillos, and salt. These are the only ingredients you need to prepare this delicious and tasty black salsa. So let's get started. Here I want to show you the tomatillos. I'm going to take the skin off and I am going to rinse them really good through running water. This black salsa, or as I call it, salsa negra, comes out delicious. First, we are going to roast our tomatillos because those are the ones that are going to take longer to cook. And here I have 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves. Make sure that you're mixing your chile de árbol. Make sure that you are mixing them because they could get burned very easily. Look at this. It doesn't take too long when they start getting nice and toasted. Right when you start smelling the aroma of the chile de árbol, it is time to remove or they will burn. Once you remove all your chile de árbol, then let's just roast the rest of the ingredients. It's gonna take a little longer, okay? Here I have the morita chili pods and I am going to be flipping them until they start releasing their aroma, and you will see that. You will smell it because the morita chili pod has a distinct aroma. Make sure that you don't burn them. When they start making this little noise or even getting inflated and getting even tender, that's the time to remove them. You don't want to burn them. So just make sure that you are there and you are flipping them so that they don't get burned. Once they are nice and toasted and you could really smell the delicious aroma of the chili, then remove it. And then I'm going to continue with the other chili. Okay, let's start getting all the seeds out of the chilies, being very careful and removing all the seeds and the stem. Look at this. The garlics are done. I am going to start flipping the chilies, making sure that they don't get burned. And you will notice when they're cooking because they'll get nice and flexible and they'll start releasing their aroma. When you roast all these chilies and the tomatillos, this black salsa is going to come out delicious and amazing. You could already see the color changing of the chili. Okay, I have all the chilies here and the garlic cloves. I am going to go ahead and start adding them to my blender. The reason that I'm adding it to the blender is because I am going to add hot water so they start hydrating and they start getting nice and soft. Of course, I'm going to add the garlic here and I'm going to add just enough water to cover all the chilies. Do not add too much. Just make sure that you add enough to cover the chilies, or else your black salsa is gonna be really runny, and you want it nice and thick. I am going to help myself with the spoon and push them down so that they are nice on the bottom and the water is right on the top of them. Look at this. You're gonna let them hydrate until your tomatillos are ready. I'm gonna add the salsa, Maggi, and the Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna add it in here and I'm just gonna cover it so they start getting really soft and tender. I am sure that once you make this amazing black salsa, you are going to continue making it. It's the flavor, it's so delicious. It's not too spicy, but of course you could manage the spicy. You could add less chile de árbol, but here at home we love spicy salsas. You want to make sure that your tomatillos are really nice and toasted. Okay, now we are ready to add it to my blender. They are really roasted. Do not remove the burn parts on the top. Leave it as is. We are going to go ahead and blend it. Remember that the salt is to taste. This looks nice and thick, but yet this is ready. Let me show you how thick it is and how delicious it smells. The aroma of this black salsa really invaded my kitchen. This smells amazing. Let me show you the texture. The texture is nice and thick. This salsa, I love to enjoy it with tacos, especially tacos of shrimp or tacos of fish. Look at this. This is so thick and delicious that I can't wait to taste it. Of course, this is the time I taste to see if I need to add a little more salt. To my tasting, this is great. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing black salsa. Really comes out delicious. You could put it in any dish, but I really love using this black salsa on tacos de camarón, shrimp tacos, fish tacos. This salsa, the taste, the combination of the 3 chili pots, just amazing. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It really comes out amazing every time. The flavors, pasilla chili pot with the combination of the morita chili pot and the chile de árbol. Perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing salsa negra. Spicy black salsa that I know you guys are going to love. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share it. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.